Welcome. Let's discuss Park-Lee's 6-step process so that you know what to expect as we work together on your project. Even though some steps may overlap or vary slightly, the process generally follows these 6 steps: content, design, script, prototype, program, and launch. At the end of each step, you will provide final approval which locks in the material. If changes need to be made going forward, we work together to make sure they fit your budget and timeline. Now, let's look at each step more closely. First, we make sure that both parties understand the course's objectives and then work together to pin down the core content. Based on a questionnaire you fill out, we compile a document which you review and approve. At that point, the core content is considered finalized and locked. Next, we design mock-ups that guide the general layout or look and feel of the course. If the course has audio narration, voiceover talent options are also provided. You review the mock-ups and voiceover talent options and give feedback. We make appropriate changes based on your feedback and return the design to you for final approval, thus locking the design. Often, scripting begins about the same time as design. In this step, we develop a script that includes the narration and a description of on-screen elements. We submit the script to you for review. You provide feedback, and we revise the script. We then submit it again to you for final review and approval, which then locks the script. The process continues to the prototype phase, in which all visual elements and basic functionalities are developed. While the prototype normally does not include the audio or all of the interactive elements, it does provide you with an opportunity to review the specific visuals used and the overall flow. We revise the prototype based on your feedback and send it back to you for final approval, which locks it. Some programming may begin before the prototype is finished, typically on the interactive elements. We then incorporate those interactive elements, the audio and the visuals, and integrate them with the back-end functionality, creating a fully functioning course. After we test the course, you review it, paying particular attention to the interactive elements and technical issues such as button functionality and navigation. Based on your feedback, we revise the course and return it to you for final approval. It is now locked and ready for launch. In this final step, we first conduct a technical launch in which we release the course to a select number of participants, usually around 30, who represent your intended audience. They take the course, focusing on technical issues and proper functionality, ensuring that they can view the program successfully. After we fix any reported bugs, you review the program one last time for final approval. Upon final approval, the program is locked and ready to be launched to your entire audience. Thank you for reviewing Park-Lee's 6-step process. While some aspects may vary depending on the project, a common understanding benefits both sides as we work together. Park-Lee is committed to collaborating with you at every stage to help you meet your needs. Our joint efforts will ensure that development of your next e-learning project runs smoothly and effectively.